Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can create or make your video to be look cinematic with the Capcut application. You just need to open the Capcut application and open the project. So here is the raw video. This is someone who playing the piano, and here let's just make this video to be more cinematic. You just need to take or tap into the clip. Now we need to decreasing the speed. Go click normal. Now we just need to decrease it until the video is moving slowly. And make sure that you use the smooth slow-mo. You'll see that the video is going smoother. Now go click this checklist button. Now let's just wait until the smooth process is applying perfectly. It will take several times. It depends on the length of the video. So since my video here is quite long, we need to wait approximately like 1 minute to make everything's done. It's almost there. It's for a better quality because whenever you're decreasing the video, there will be like a laggy looks or result. So we need to add the smoothing effect so that the movement of the video that we change to slow-mo could be moved more smooth than the normal one. It's almost there. It's less than 10%. And it's perfect. Now we already have this video. So if you want to make it more cinematic, I would like to suggest you to add some animation. Go tap into it and go click animation. Make sure you choose in and please click this fade in. Now adjusting the duration of the animation being applied, I would like to make it a little bit longer. So you'll see that the video is like slowly appear. Now don't go anywhere, just jump into the audio and click this fade out and just do the same. And now you just need to go click this checklist button after you got the best for you. Now let's add some audio for it. Go back, click audio, sound effects, and you just need to tap the piano and just pick the piano effects. Right after you add it, tap it, and I will let you decreasing the speed of the audio or the sound effects too. I will let you decreasing it like 0.5. Don't forget to keep the pitch and click this checklist button. Now here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.